black coffee, turmeric. Let's find out which countertop resists the maximum stain. Welcome to Sunday's Samayal. So let us start with Corian top. Quartz, Neo marble, Nano Stone, Granite. So let's wait for 15 minutes and see the resisting power of all these kitchen countertops. So 15 minutes are over in our Sunday Samayal. So we'll start cleaning it. The results are out. Granite for suitable for Indian kitchen. Nano Stone completely looks like brand new. Imported quartz, Indian Quartz, and Corian top. These are the different types of kitchen countertops. Drop your favorite and go-to countertop, and my preferred choice will be Indian Granite or this imported quartz. Still, this is easily maintainable if we use the right solution. So see you in the next video.